We are going to ignore the puffiness around my eyes. I think I figured out what the issue is. I'm taking steps to correct it. Care is done for the evening. It is slathered on there so it can soak in all night long, and hopefully I will wake up in the morning without having super puffy eyes. Trendmood box arrived. This is the mystery Trendmood box. Bondi Boost Miracle Hair Mask, and you're supposed to use it weekly in place of your regular conditioner and leave it on for 15 minutes. I just had my hair cut yesterday and I got rid of my dead split ends, so everything is all nice and healthy and fresh. So we're going to use this, we're going to use the K18, we're going to use a little bit of everything and see what I like best. The retail on this is $28 for Keratosis pilaris, otherwise known as chicken skin, and it is a 10% AHA blend that'll help take care of that. My son has that, so this is going to go to him. Retails for $28. Keys Tinted Lip Balm in Lucid, which is their clear. Retail is $18. Kinship Self Smooth 10% Glycolic Resurfacing Serum. Put it on in the evening, it gets rid of your dead stuff, and you wake up in the morning with none of the dead stuff. Retails for $30. Danessa Myricks, the Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. I have a couple of these. I really like them. This one is in shade Emerald, which I do not have. And the retail on this is $22. And the big one I have in here is the Danessa Myricks Groundwork Palette, Defining Neutrals. This is actually my second one. My first one also came in a Trendmood box. Retails for $65. The total value of everything, if I would have purchased everything retail, would have been $191. I got the Trendmood box for $41.